Hi, I'm Angela from Camera Jabber and I'm shooting this short video on the Nikon Z50. Now I really like the Nikon Z50, but one issue I had with it when I was testing it was that the screen flips down, and if you want to see the screen from in front, it's actually underneath the camera. So whilst I can see myself, say if I'm hand holding the camera, if I want to put it on a tripod, it's a bit of a problem because the screen is obscured. Thankfully, SmallRig has come up with a solution, which is a plate which mounts onto the bottom of the camera and allows you to put the tripod off to the side, just under the normal hand grip. It's designed specifically to fit around the base of the Z50, and it's got a kind of lip, so it just sits against it nice and snug and it can't wobble around. One of the really nice features is that there's this little kind of like little screwdriver. It's magnetic, or there are magnets in there, so when you take it off you can just pop it back on and it just snaps on. These holes here are threaded, so you can pick the appropriate one to use to mount on a tripod. I've found with the Manfrotto Pixi that you need to move it at least to the middle, if not to the far side, to be able to flip the screen down and see it. And then if you want to mount the camera normally on a tripod, say if you're shooting stills, then there's a threaded hole there, so you can attach it to your tripod. So Nikon has introduced a new Z50 Vlogger Kit, and that includes this SmallRig plate, a Manfrotto Pixi tripod and a Rode VideoMicro microphone. The microphone comes with a shock mount, which means you can mount it into the camera's hot shoe and then connect it using the supplied cable to the microphone port. One slight problem with using the Z50 with the SmallRig plate is that the very top of the screen is actually obscured by the plate, and that's where the record icon, the red dot to let you know that you're actually recording video, is located. So you can't see it, so actually you can't tell if the camera is actually recording or not. So it'd be really helpful if Nikon could do some sort of firmware update that perhaps put the icon at the bottom of the screen, or maybe, as some companies are starting to do, put a red box around the view, so wherever you are it's quite easy to see that the camera is actually recording. So I reckon that's a really nice addition. If you've already got a Z50, it could be worth buying it separately, but if you're thinking about buying a Z50 for vlogging, then I'd definitely suggest going for the vlogging kit.